Hi, Sawyer with Jarvis Lighting here, and today I'm going to introduce you to our Troffer Retrofit Series. These Troffer Retrofits come in two sizes, 2x2 and 2x4, and allow you to upgrade your existing fluorescent lighting to LED in just a matter of minutes. Our JTRFRK Retrofit Series is wattage and color temperature selectable, as well as compatible as seen here with our Jarvis Link network lighting control system. This allows you to tailor the product to your exact needs on site in just a matter of minutes. The wattage and the color temp can be easily changed right here via two selector switches when they're on site, and then you can easily pop your lens back into place and you're ready to go. So you've got the exact wattage and color temp you need for your project. Our Troffer Retrofit ships with the fixture, lens, and can be pre-ordered with a sensor or a wireless control module that's compatible with the Jarvis Link system. In addition, it comes with two retrofit brackets. These are easily installed with tech screws in just a matter of seconds. And then your accessory kit. So this comes with everything you need to be able to upgrade your fluorescent fixtures to LED in just a matter of minutes. So during installation, you're gonna take your existing fixture, you're gonna remove all your ballast, lamps, any other hardware inside of that fixture, and then you're gonna go ahead and take your retrofit brackets, and these actually just slide between your T-grid and the housing and are installed with tech screws. These will allow you to just slide your fixture right into place when you're completing your installation. So during installation, you're going to slide the fixture on one end of each bracket into place here. Then you'll be securing your safety rope right here, this safety cable in place. This is going to hold your fixture while you're making your wire connections. Once all your wire connections are made, hinge the fixture back up so it sits flush with your ceiling, and then you'll use the hooks here to lock that fixture into place. Now that our fixture is all installed, we can go ahead and turn it on right in the Jarvis Link app, and you're all done.